Now I am calculating effective annual rate and bond value through Excel formula. So start. Firstly selecting equal, writing FB tab. Now B3 slash M, comma, N into M, comma, PMT 0, comma, present value, comma, 0, bracket close, minus 1. Clicking enter and we get the value. Now bond value. So again clicking equal, writing PV tab. Now selecting B5, comma, B4, comma, B2 into B3, comma, par value B2, comma, 0 and bracket close and clicking enter and we get the value. As we know, we can calculate capital budgeting through Excel formula. So let's start with NPV. Firstly, net cash flow. Calculating net cash flow equal C24, enter, and we get the value for 0 period. Then for 1 period equal D24 plus D23, enter, then selecting and expand this to get all the value till H25. Now cumulative cash flow equal C25, enter, for 0 period, then selecting D26 cell equal D25 plus C26, enter, we get the value for period 1 and again expand it for get all the value till H26. Now calculating net present value equal, typing NPV tab, then rate, comma, selecting D25 like Control Shift right arrow, then bracket close, plus net cash flow for period 0, clicking enter and we get the value. For IRR equal, writing IRR tab, then selecting C25 to H25 and clicking enter and we get the value. Now calculating payback period. As we know, when we calculate payback period, we always select the last negative value. So now writing equal 3 plus ABS tab apps, then F26 slash G25 bracket close, enter and we get the value. Now I am calculating IRR, XIRR and MIRR through Excel formula. Firstly IRR equal, writing IRR tab, selecting all the cash flow from project A, then bracket close, enter, we get the value. Then calculating XIRR. So equal, writing XIRR tab, then selecting all the cash flow from project A, shift and down button, comma, selecting all the dates, shift and down button, bracket close, clicking enter, we get the value. Then calculating MIRR, equal, writing MIRR tab, then selecting all the cash flow from project A, shift down arrow, comma, cost of capital, comma, again cost of capital, bracket close, clicking enter, and we get the value. Now I'm calculating payment, interest, principal and balance amount through Excel formula. So firstly selecting the serial number, that is equal year into payment per year, enter, that is 180, that means 1 to 180. Now putting for sale 0, then the balance sale, principal amount, enter. Now fill all the blank cell by selecting equal, sequence tab, writing 180, bracket close, enter, and we get all the sequence. Now calculating payment, equal PMT tab, then rate slash payment per year, comma, year into payment per year, comma, PMT, comma, 0, 0, and close the bracket, enter, we get the payment for first month. Now freeze it by clicking Fn and F4. Now clicking enter and double clicking the autofill handle, and we get all the payment. Then interest, equal IPMT tab, then rate slash payment per year, comma, selecting month 1, comma, year into payment per year, comma, principal amount, comma, 0, comma, 0, close the bracket, clicking enter, and we get the value for month 1. The interest is 5,000. Now freeze it. Clicking enter, get the value in, and double clicking the autofill handle, and we get all the value for the interest. Now equal PPMT for principal amount tab, then again rate slash payment per year, comma, selecting month 1, comma year into payment per year, comma principal amount, comma 0, comma 0, bracket close, enter, and we get the value for principal amount. Now again freeze it. Clicking enter, we get the value. Now double clicking, we get all the value for principal amount. Now for balance, equal balance at 0 minus bracket minus principal bracket close, clicking enter, and we get the value. Again double clicking, we get all the value for the balance amount.